Good day, everyone. I'm at Douglas Road Station in Coral Gables, Florida. Coral Gables is located south of downtown Miami. This video was filmed in 2020, which is 5 years ago. A lot of things have changed during 5 years. During 2020, riding the Miami-Dade Transit Metrobus or Metrorail was free. However, as of 2025, the full fare to ride Metrorail is $2.25. I'm going to board the Metrorail Green Line to Brickell Station. Brickell is a neighborhood that is located south of downtown Miami. I'm facing south of Miami, and then on my left is the U.S. State Route Highway 1 or the Dixie Road. And then facing even further left to the north, that's the downtown Miami skyline. Here comes the Metrorail Green Line northbound to Palmetto.
Gracias por viajar en el servicio de Miami-Dade. La vez pasada ya quería durante porque con los perros, la casa más fácil, el parque, que tiene más facilidad para los parques a sus necesidades. Que aquí el apartamento ya vive que tiene que estar dándose, que se quede, que bajándose, que se viene, que se quede, cuánto interés.
Next station is Coconut Grove. Please check your area and take all personal belongings with you before exiting the train. Thank you. Now approaching Coconut Grove. Next station is Vizcaya. Please check your area and take all personal belongings with you before exiting the train. Thank you. Transit, you are required to wear a face mask. Thank you for keeping all of us safe. Now approaching Vizcaya.
¿Ah? Tendrías que recoger. Mucho mayor que tú. Ah, entonces ellas son mayores que tú, la Nilsa, la Gina, o sea que tú eres la más joven, pues. Y esta... La mamá de Leonardo, ¿cómo se llama la mamá de Leonardo? ¿Cómo que se llamaba ella? Ah,
Next station is Brickell.
no, y Victoria era mayor que tú, ¿verdad?
Transfer here for the Metro over Brickell Loop. Please check your area and take all personal belongings with you before exiting the train. Thank you.
No te escuché de tu casa de contigo, déjame que no se me sí, que quiere que te diciendo de Victoria, ella era mayor que tú.
Miami-Dade Transit reminds passengers to practice social distancing while on the platform and while riding.
Sí, yo sé, no importa. Yo le hice esa tarea sin complaint también, no sé si te dejó 8 hijos. 8. ¿Interesan a 3? ¿Interesan a 3 o a Vizcaya?
Now approaching Brickell.
Adulto sigue con su local. Vende ropa todavía.
Thank you for your thought.